Being cheated on is one of the most painful experiences a person can face. It shakes your confidence, your trust, and sometimes even your identity. But here's the truth. You can heal. Today, I'll share the psychology of recovery after betrayal, how to process the pain, regain your strength, and move forward with clarity. The first step is permission to feel. Too often, people try to numb the pain or pretend it doesn't hurt. But healing begins when you allow yourself to grieve, cry, and release the emotions. Suppressed feelings only linger longer. Cheating is a reflection of their choices, not your value. Many people blame themselves. Was I not good enough? But betrayal says more about their weakness than your worth. Never let someone's actions define your identity. You need space, whether physical, emotional, or both. Boundaries allow you to think clearly and decide, do you want to rebuild with this person or walk away? Healing requires distance from the chaos so you can hear your own voice again. Invest in yourself. Reconnect with friends, passions, and goals that remind you of who you are outside the relationship. Healing isn't just about closing a wound, it's about building a stronger version of you. Whether you stay or move on, trust will take time to rebuild. Don't rush it. Learn to listen to your instincts again, and don't be afraid to take things slowly. Real healing means you won't let betrayal turn you bitter. You'll let it make you wiser. Healing after betrayal isn't easy, but it's possible. Allow yourself to feel. Protect your worth. Set boundaries, rebuild yourself, and take trust one step at a time. You may be broken for a moment, but you are not defeated. You will rise stronger than ever.